Don't just tell your referral sources about the good work you do for your clients, show them. Hi everyone, my name is Wayne Pollack. I'm an attorney who helps other attorneys engage the audiences that are loyal to their firm's success, including their clients, their referral sources, their employees, and the media. In this video, standing out from the pack when it comes to engaging your referral sources. Most attorneys think that they get referrals from referral sources because those referral sources know them. That's partly true. The real reason why referral sources send referrals to lawyers is because those referral sources know those lawyers and they trust them to solve those prospective clients' problems. But most of the time, when they're talking and thinking about their referral marketing, lawyers tend to only focus on the familiarity angle. They don't think about that substantive problem-solving angle. And my advice to you is to bang that problem-solving drum frequently. Look, most of the time when there is some kind of referral marketing program at a law firm, it's focused on familiarity. It's focused on phone calls, video chats, in-person events between the firm's lawyers and their referral sources. And of course, if there is a systematic approach to referral marketing, it's likely to produce some fruit and result in referrals. But the fact is that a lot of law firms have some kind of referral marketing program. It just might differ in terms of their sophistication and their frequency. That means that the lawyers and law firms you're competing with likely have referral marketing programs that are targeting your same referral sources. So you've got to stand out from the pack, even when it comes to your most loyal and frequent referral sources. And how do you do that? You don't just focus on the relationship. You remind your referral sources the good work that you can do for clients by showing them the good work you're doing for clients, not just telling them. So, for example, let's say you're a plaintiff's lawyer in a plaintiff's firm that wants to, in your next email newsletter, talk about a multi-million-dollar settlement you've obtained for a client. Well, you can simply refer to the fact that you received this $1 million settlement for a client and have a quote from you or the lawyer responsible for that settlement in your email newsletter. That's great, but that's what most lawyers do. I suggest you go one step further and you show how you secured that result. You should explain, assuming you can, based on client confidences and any applicable confidentiality agreement, you should explain that you secured that settlement despite questions about causation, despite expert testimony that was really bad for you, and a judge who may have not liked your client. Now, you're not just focused on familiarity. You are now talking about the work you've done and showing your referral sources how you are able to solve clients' problems. Now, you don't just have to be a plaintiff's attorney for this to work. You can be a criminal defense attorney, a qui tam attorney, a securities litigation defense attorney. You could even be a state or federal administrative agency attorney. It doesn't matter. The only thing that matters is that you're able to show your referral sources through the work you do for your clients how qualified you are to handle their referrals. And if you aren't in a position to be able to talk about your client work, then you should at least be sharing your thought leadership marketing content like your client alerts with your referral sources. That way they can be reminded of the good work you can do for clients because they are seeing that you are able to survey the law and legal developments and project knowledge, insights, and wisdom that show that you could help their clients, their prospective clients they refer you down the road. Referral marketing is often viewed as a kinder, gentler kind of legal marketing, but it is still awfully competitive. There's a lot of lawyers and law firms out there trying to market to other lawyers and law firms and non-lawyers and non-law firms that have prospective clients to refer. My suggestion to you and my advice to you is to help your chances of getting more referrals from your referral sources by constantly showing your referral sources the kind of good work you can do for clients by showing them results. Don't just tell them about the work you can do and telling them about the results. Show them the work you can do by showing the results and how you got there. If you have any questions about how to craft this kind of referral marketing content, check out lawfirm@charlesservice.com. You'll find plenty of videos like this and blog posts that can help you craft the kind of book of business building content that you have to in order to win over your referral sources.